guys, today all you need to make a boat, yes, we're making a boat today. So all you need is a rectangle paper. You don't need no supplies, not even like scissors, like nothing. I promise. Okay, so first you're gonna want to take a rectangle paper. If you already have a square, that's totally fine. Now I did say no supplies, but how do you make this a square? Oh, I have an idea. Okay. So, first, you're going to want to make a triangle. And when I say triangle, I mean on the line. So like that. So it's going to be all nice and straight. Now you're going to want to fold it upwards and sort of really nail it. Hope I don't tear it or rip it. Okay. Boom. So you should have like these sort of nail lines on, so it's really on there nicely, and then do it the other way as well, so it's gonna actually like really. Okay, now you might need some practice, but I already have practice. So what you're gonna want to do is make sure you do it on like a flat surface. I'm just doing it like this to show you. Oh. Yes! And now you should have a rectangle paper looking something like that. And you should have this paper, but it's okay if it has like a triangle fold on it. It's totally fine. Okay, you don't need that triangle fold anymore, so it's fine. Okay, now fold the square in half, which would make a triangle. So, or an easier way to do this is put it as a diamond and then connect both the slanting ends together. So, a bit like that. Okay, now fold it in half again, which should make a very even looking square. Okay, and of course, in a square, all sides are the same. That's how we know it's a square. Okay, boom. And now you're gonna want to take the part where they all start to like open up a little bit, like that part, and you're gonna want to only take one. So look, you can see that. You're doing that. Now you're taking that part. So you're gonna only want to take one. Okay, Jesus. Okay. There we go. All right. Oh, and you should have a very satisfying pattern right there. That's so cool. Okay, now I'm going to want you to take all the other 3 sides. So you go 1, 2, 3. Okay, there we go. 2, 3, and we're gonna fold it the other way. Woo. Done. So that should be like that. should have a little triangle. But in that triangle, you should have a teeny weeny pocket. Yay! You can store all your things there. But right now we're making a boat. So, ooh. Oh yeah, and the finished boat is gonna look a bit like this. So yeah, it's 3D, not 2D. Look, it's all 3D. Okay, so, how's that gonna turn into that? You'll see. Okay. And you remember the fold we made? That should leave a tiny crease right there. Don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Okay, now can you? Oh, okay. So anyway, there should be a little crease left. And that is actually where the thing is going to go like that. So once you have the pocket, you're going to put one finger in one and one finger in the other. And then you're going to want to widen it. Oh, whoa. You're going to want to widen it. And then make a diamond. Or if you don't like that way, you're just going to want to pinch those together. So take those 2 points, and then you're going to want to just get them pinched together. And then you should have a little diamond. So then, on the top of that diamond, you're going to see where you made the hole, the pocket, but then you're going to want to turn it upside down so that part is at the bottom. And when you turn it upside down, you'll have these 2 parts. So you're going to want to open them up. They should look a bit like this, a bit like a lotus. And then, once you have those parts, you see these 2 parts that are like open from the bottom. You're going to want to take those and you're going to want to take the other parts, so those, and you're going to want to pinch them up. So see, take 2 parts, pinch upwards. So look, 2 parts, pinch upwards. What have you got? Or you could just open those 2. And then you see those parts, the bottom of it. You just need to press them so it's not hard at all to make a bow. Oh yeah, and you can make a tiny one with that. So again, just like I taught you, like triangle, and then